Welcome to our crash course on generative AI, where we'll transform confusion into creation in just 180 minutes. This course is designed to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of generative AI, its applications, and how you can leverage it in your work and personal life. Our agenda today covers the history and introduction to generative AI, ethics and responsibility, core concepts, practical use cases, and effective prompting techniques. We'll wrap up with a summary and a Q&A session. The future of work is evolving with AI as a partner, not just a tool. Embrace the skills revolution, become AI literate, and focus on human-centric skills like critical thinking and empathy to stay ahead. Artificial intelligence has a rich history, evolving from simple problem-solving to complex systems that analyze data and make predictions. It's now a mainstream technology shaping various industries. Understanding AI, machine learning, and generative AI is crucial. AI performs human-like tasks, ML learns from data, deep learning uses neural networks, and general AI such as ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude etc. creates new content. Generative AI focuses on creation, producing diverse and unique content. It can transform text, images, and audio, challenging us to discern between AI-generated and real content. Generative AI models have vast capabilities, from content creation and automation to personalized customer service and financial analysis, revolutionizing industries like healthcare, banking, research and marketing. Despite its capabilities, generative AI has limitations. It can't provide real-time accurate information, replace human judgment, or work without context. Your input is crucial for quality output. Responsible AI and ethics are paramount. Ensure transparency, privacy, and accountability in AI use, and always prioritize safety and security to maintain trust and integrity. Prompt engineering is key to effective AI use. By refining prompts, you can save time, improve accuracy, and unlock AI's full potential, making your interactions more productive and insightful. Let's dive into live practice for personal life applications. Learn to create effective prompts for travel planning, ensuring your AI interactions are tailored and efficient. Now, let's apply AI to work scenarios. Craft prompts for project management, enhancing your ability to plan and execute projects with AI's assistance. Choose a case study to apply your learning. Whether it's financial management or banking, use AI to create budgets or analyze transactions, demonstrating practical AI applications. In summary, continue learning as AI evolves. Integrate it into your life, and remember it's an augmentation, not a replacement. Master prompting and validate your AI interactions for the best results. It's time for live Q&A. Submit your questions, and we'll address the most insightful ones, ensuring our answers are practical and example-driven for your understanding. Thank you for attending the General AI Crash Course. I hope you have enjoyed the workshop and gained new knowledge from my teaching. Bye-bye.